Okay, so let's try this. So if it's not allowing you to copy and paste, go to your search thing on your computer. It's kind of at the bottom right here. And the tool that I use is called a snipping tool. And so all I do in my search thing is type in snip tool, and mine looks like a little pair of scissors. So I have it down here at the bottom. And what comes up with my snipping tool is I just click new, a new snip, and then I see where I want to snip. So I can just put a box around what I want to snip, and then you'll see it isolates it. Then I can do a file, save as, and I just put everything in my photos. So I'll just call this English 122 test snip, and then I save it. Then when I want to drop it into the appendix of my paper, let me just open up a blank document. I go up to insert right here, and I go to picture, and I say from this device, and I go to where I saved it. So I saved it as English 122 test snip, and I just grab it, and then I insert it, and then I can manipulate it to be bigger or smaller as needed in the appendix of my final paper. So hopefully that works. I'm not sure why the Google copy paste thing isn't working, but I will post this for everybody else too in case they have that problem. So thank you.